Ever worried about losing your precious iPhone photos? This video shows you how to securely back up your photos from your iPhone 15 to an external drive using both wired and wireless options. First, let's look at the wired method, which is generally the fastest. You'll need a USB-C to USB-C cable, or a Lightning to USB-C adapter depending on the cable you choose. Now, connect your iPhone 15 and external hard drive. Next, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Photos, and tap on it. In the Photos setting, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled. If enabled, tap on Download and Keep Originals. This will download the original quality of the photos onto your device. Open the Files app on your computer. You should see your iPhone listed as a device in the sidebar. Tap on your iPhone, then on the DCIM folder, which contains your photos and videos. Select all of the photos or individual photos you would like to back up to your external drive. Copy and paste the selected files into your external hard drive folder. Once the process is complete, you can safely disconnect your iPhone. Now, for the second wireless backup with AirDrop, make sure both your iPhone and computer have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. In Settings, go to General, and then select AirDrop. Ensure receiving is set to everyone or to contacts only if your computer is logged into your iCloud account. On your iPhone, go to the Photos app, select the photos you want to back up to your computer, then tap the share icon. Choose AirDrop and tap the name of your computer. The pictures will start transferring to your computer, where it will prompt you to save it to your photos. There you have it. You've successfully backed up your iPhone 15 photos to your external drive. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing your memories are safe.